Many people are not aware of the serious damage dust may have, not just for those who create dust, but also for those working or living in the same environment.
At the end of the day, what needs to be minimized is the overall dust exposure of the worker.
Our Health and Safety Competence Center has its own dedicated dust lab since 2008.
Now we have the possibilities to understand the system, understand the point of origin of the dust creation, but also the whole chain to the vacuum cleaner.
Thinking in a system, that's a crucial point. Every single element of the entire system has to be optimized.
The complexity is really, really high. It was very important and helpful for us to have the air simulation to see, okay, where are the air streams?
Hilti has a position that we have it all. We have the insert, we have the tool with the shroud, we have the dust extractor, let's say the vacuum cleaner, and we are the ones that optimize the entire system. Important is that we work on a better harmonization of international standards. We continuously strive to gather information and understanding on what's really happening on construction sites. And I think combined with the huge experience that we have the ability to contribute.
We try to make it even better, and our biggest goal is to go beyond standards. It's clear.